Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable always show Siri captions on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to work the same as on mine. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down a little bit and go to Siri and search. And then you want to go to the Siri responses. So now I'm not in a silent mode. I do have the normal mode and I don't have any focus modes right now. So if I'm going to ask something Siri, so let's say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather like today in New York?" Oh, she is thinking, so something happened. Maybe let's ask again. "What's the weather like today in New York?"
Expect some clear skies in New York, United States today.
As you can hear, the Siri spoken the response, but I didn't get the captions. So if you turn on this feature right now and I'm going to ask her, "What's the weather like today in Washington, D.C.?"
Should be sunny in Washington, United States today.
As you can see, now we did get the captions of the Siri. So if you turn on this feature, with every response, Siri is going to show you the captions. So I think this is a nice option to have because sometimes you can't hear her and you still are going to be able to read the response. So now it is on, now it is off. And it means if you turn off this feature and you are going to get the silent response because, let's say, iPhone decided in the automatic mode not to speak, you are going to get the captions. But if you turn on this feature, even if you are going to get the spoken response, you are still going to get the captions. So again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, Siri and search, then Siri responses, and make sure that this feature is on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!